Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox on your Windows operating system. So let's get started. First of all, we go to Google and then we type Oracle VirtualBox. Then we go to the first website. We choose here download, and then we choose here the platform which we're gonna download the VirtualBox on. So I will go with Windows, and let's wait till this download finish. Okay guys, now download is finished. Now we hit on the installer, and here we choose next and accept the agreement and terms. Then we stick to the default settings. Then here installing VirtualBox, proceed with installation. Proceed, yes. Here we choose create start menu, create a shortcut on desktop. So we choose the default and install. Okay, now start finish. Now we have our Oracle VirtualBox, and we can start we can start a new virtual operating system. So I will do another video on this, how to make a virtual operating system. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.